You've probably heard people talk about AI agents. But when you try to build one, the how is oddly vague. In this mini-series, we'll build a real agent step by step, no fluff. Today, a text improver agent with a Python API and a tiny HTML UI. It runs offline on your laptop, and if you add an OpenAI key, it gets smarter, same UI. Local first, then deploy by changing a single URL. Alright, now let's go back and do the same thing, but this time online. Let's see if the AI's had its coffee. And boom, we've got ourselves a cleaner, sharper sentence. So, how does all of this magic actually work? Let's pull back the curtain. On the left, we've got a simple HTML page. That's where you type your text. When you hit the button, it sends your text over to our local Python service. In offline mode, it uses built-in rules to clean things up. In online mode, it calls OpenAI and gets a little extra brainpower. Here's the HTML, just the basics, a text box, a button, and a tiny script. The script knows our API address, checks if it's alive, and when we click Improve, it sends the text to our Python agent and puts the better version right back in the box. Here's the offline part of the Python script, just a tiny Flask server with one endpoint, /generate. It takes the text, cleans it up a bit, and boom, sends it back. No internet, no AI, just pure local magic. And here's the online part, same Flask server, but now it sends the text to OpenAI's API. The AI works its magic, and we get back a polished version, straight to the browser. See, that was easy. Now you've got the basics to build your own text agent. Next time, we'll hook it all up for real. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you've got cool ideas.